Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert your Canva into PowerPoint slide. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. Now it will lead you to a home page of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner, you can see this Create a Design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now after that, you can edit your presentations according to your preference, and if you click on design, then you can add different pages here. After you are done, you can see the share button on top right corner. Click on it and here you can see this more option. Click on more. Now on the search bar, type in PowerPoint. Now click on this Microsoft PowerPoint logo. Now after that, you can see this download option here. If you click on this download button, then you have successfully downloaded your Canva project into your PPT slide. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.